Afya yetu jukumu letu, ndio ndio. Afya yetu jukumu letu, ndio ndio.
Kina Health Center in Garbatula Sub-County. Ralia Diba has just delivered a few hours ago. The community health extension worker from Kina South Community Unit who accompanied her here is visiting her.
Alia, unasikiaje? Nimejifungua vizuri sio?
Another delivery under skilled care. It's Hussein Dika's joy that his efforts are not in vain.
It was in midnight when I was contacted by this lady whom I was doing the follow-up in my CU. She's one of the pregnant mothers in my CU who completed 4 antenatal visits. I was just following up her to make sure that she delivers at the maternity. So I'm very happy today. I'm so overwhelmed that both the baby and her, they are very okay.
About 12 babies are born at this facility every month. 2 years ago, it used to be 5. There are no wards for admission. And so, Diba is on her way home with her new arrival, escorted by Dika and a relative. It's barely 10 hours since she delivered.
Giving birth is a lot of work. That's why it's called labor. So to deliver and then be told, okay, now mama go home, it is also very tough. So this is why the plan should be to have at least a ward of 10 beds for maternity cases.
Sadia Halake is a registered nurse here. She understands why a follow-up must be made within 24 hours.
Within 24 hours, the mothers can get the PPH, that is postpartum hemorrhage. The mothers can bleed.
We lose very many mothers from bleeding in this country. That is why we have a maternal death rate of 480.
It is good for them to know how to take care of the cord. The condition of the mother, is the mother stable? Not all the mothers are okay. Some may be epileptics. Others can get even the fit.
Enough reasons to prompt Dika the following day to visit mother and baby. Some distances to be covered by community health extension workers and other volunteers in this semi-arid region are vast. This motorcycle, a donation from JICA, comes in handy.
Mama akijifungua huwa anaendaga nyumbani kumwangalia venye anaendelea, kuona kama mtoto pia ako mzuri na mama pia uko hali mzuri. Tunahakikisha tu mtoto amepewa tu maziwa ya matiti peke yake. Umepanga hivyo? Utafanya hivyo si ndio? Because mtoto akiendelea kutumia tu matiti peke yake hatakuwa na madhara kupata magonjwa ya tumbo ama kuharisha na what have you. So ni mzuri sana umpatie tu matiti peke yake. In case of any heavy bleeding and maybe the child having any complication like maybe coughing, chest indrawing and any color change on the baby, that is jaundice, we normally refer back to the facility. Anytime utarudi huko, mtoto apewe chanjo ya BCG na polio. Na pia utakuwa unahakikisha umemaliza chanjo ya mtoto.
Some mothers default from completing the mandatory immunization for their children under 5.
Akisikia baridi sana unahakikisha mtoto umemweka kwa chest, skin to skin.
Diba now has 5 children. The first 2 were born at home with the help of skilled health workers before the establishment of Kina Health Center. There has been an increase of almost 60% in the number of deliveries at the local health center over the last 2 years.
Generally, I can say the mother and the child, they are okay after I did the 24-hour visit.
In some parts of this country, we have as high as 1,000 deaths per 100,000, which is very, very high.
Dika will have to return to this home after 3 and 7 days or perhaps even later for further follow-ups.
Even after 24 hours, secondary postpartum hemorrhage can occur. So it is good for the mothers to know if there is any bleeding. It can occur within the period of 6 weeks. After 6 weeks, the uterus can go back to the pre-gravid state. That is, she can become pregnant if she is not told about FP.
Afya yetu, afya yetu, afya yetu, afya yetu, afya yetu, afya yetu, jukumu letu, ndio ndio.
Afya yetu, jukumu letu,
ndio ndio.
Afya yetu, jukumu letu,
ndio ndio.
Afya yetu.